welcome back to my channel. I am How To Tech Tips, and I hope you enjoy this video. Also, I want to remind you not to forget to subscribe, like, comment, and of course share. Today's video is going to be about how to encrypt a file on Windows 10. I did a video earlier in the week about how to encrypt a folder in Mac, and today is going to be about Windows 10. So there's multiple ways on how you can do it, but I'm just going to show you the easiest way and the fastest way. So we're going to want to open up our internet browser first. I'm using Google Chrome, and we're going to want to type in google.ca. And from here, you're going to want to type 7-zip. Going to want to locate the first one and hit left click on that one. And then from here, you'll see 7-zip 19 version when it was released for Windows, and then here Windows 7-zip 20.02 alpha when it was released, and it's for Windows. So majority of you are gonna have this. You're gonna have to download this one. You're gonna hit download and then follow those steps. I already have it downloaded, so I'm gonna begin with opening it up. So I'm gonna just write in the search 7, and then we'll come up 7-zip file manager. Left click on that, and from here we're going to want to locate the file that we want to encrypt. So for myself, I'm going to encrypt this one. I'm going to open it. There's just 2 pictures in there. So this is the one that I want to encrypt. So I will go into it. So left click. And then from here, I will highlight both. Highlight all of the ones that you want. So if you have 15, then highlight all 15. If you have all 2,000, then make sure you highlight all 2,000. So I just have 2 in the folder. I'm going to highlight the 2. And I'm going to left click on add. From here, I can change the name. So I will do that right now. I'll just write Pats and leave the format just how it is. You can also do 7-zip or you can do zip. I'll just leave it as a 7-zip for now. And then we would leave all these, which is fine. But here we will type in a password. So I'm just gonna do a whatever password. Type the same thing. And for encryption method, we'll just leave it exactly how it is because that's the only option. And then we're gonna hit OK. And you will see that inside new folder 2, there will be an encrypted file right here. And to access it, you'll have to go back into 7-zip file manager and then locate the file, and then there it is. I'll show you if we want to password encrypt for a zip file. So I'll do the same thing. Add it. And then archive format, we'll do zip. And we'll do the exact same thing. I'll write Patty. Make it easier to distinguish it. Same thing. Password. Re-enter that same password. And then here we can zip crypto or AES256. We'll just AES256 and then hit OK, and you will see a folder right here. We can X this and go to the file that has the zip file. I'm going to hit that, and you will see the two, and it will say cannot destination, so we will have to extract all, and that won't work as well, so we will have to extract from 7-zip again. So that's fine. And here it will ask us for a password. And we will type in our password. And right there, it's at the very top. Oh, no, sorry. Sorry, I probably should have. And there we go. So make sure that you extract to whatever it says here. So for mine, it will be, you can see Patty, which will be this one. And then it will extract it all. For you, I might just say new folder 2 or whatever like that. And that's basically it. And there you have all your files and whatnot. Thanks for watching, guys. This is How To Tech Tips. Keep teching on.